Hello guys.
Now I will show you 3 simple exercises to help you learn the muscle up faster. First, let's warm up the joints and tendons, especially the shoulders, neck and wrists. Exercise number 1. Hanging on the bar. This makes your grip stronger and helps with endurance. Just hang as long as you can. Exercise number 2. It's push-ups on a low bar. Find a lower bar so it's easier to jump up. Lower yourself as much as possible, then push back up. Keep your shoulders back. Exercise number 3. Swing with knee raises. Swing forward, then when you swing back, bring your knees to your chest. This helps with momentum. Put it all together and you will get your first muscle up. And don't worry if it doesn't work right away. After 5-7 training sessions, you will get it. Bonus exercise. Find a low bar and jump up onto it as many times as you can. But the most important part, lower yourself slowly.